Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome. My name is Alex and today's video is going to be all about this backsplash here. As some of you may know, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I have been working on my kitchen and it's been an ongoing thing for a while because we've been doing just a little bit at a time. But today's video, we partnered up with Tic Tac Tiles, and I'm going to tell you a little bit on how to get this backsplash here on a budget in under 2 hours. First of all, I just want to say thank you to Tic Tac Tiles for partnering with me on this video and sending me this awesome product. Actually, I have purchased this product from them myself, and I reached out to them and we decided to partner up to make this video and create a tutorial for you guys. So if you are unfamiliar with the company Tic Tac Tiles, they are the creator of this really cool sticker backsplash. Yes, it is literally a sticker. You peel off the back just like a sticker and you stick it on your wall. That's it. And they make this so easy to use. All you have to do is overlap and you can create this whole wall. So I like to do things myself, but I don't always know how. And with kids around and everything, it was just not convenient to have like a tile saw and to be measuring and grouting and that big whole mess. So basically, like with these, you can just pick up where you left off. So in between, you know, everything that you have to do with kids, the butts you gotta wipe, the food you gotta make, and everything else in between. You can stick one of these on the wall, do a row, come back later, do another row. These have just been so great, and it was just a really easy project to get done. Not to mention, they're very budget friendly. For my entire kitchen, I have spent under $500 so far, and I have changed my countertops, my backsplash, my cabinets, and my hardware. So I am looking forward to showing that to you guys very soon. Will be coming up. I will be linking everything in the description box below, including a link to purchase these if you guys are interested in purchasing some for your own kitchen. But in today's video, I am going to show you how to install this backsplash in your kitchen. So please keep watching.
Okay, so these are the 12 by 12 size that I'm using in my kitchen, and as you can see on the back here, there are detailed instructions on how to apply your tiles to your backsplash. This project requires just a little bit of prep work, so you will need some sandpaper and a good degreaser. Sanding is a super vital step for good adhesion. This helps to remove the glossy finish off of paint so that it can stick on better. Sanding is not necessary if you have unpainted walls, like the big section of bare wall you can see here from where my cabinets used to be. But you do want to make sure that you take the time to get all of the grease and dirt off of your walls. Trust me on this, I didn't do this step and my section behind the stove would not stick on. So just really take your time with the prep work because the application process is so quick and simple. Now that you have your walls sanded, you want to make sure to remove any outlet plates before moving on to the next step, which is to wipe everything down with that heavy-duty degreaser. When you're ready to start sticking your tiles to the wall, Create a guideline on the wall using a level to make sure that your alignment is level and straight. To measure out the space, I'll need to cut for the outlet. I'm just holding the sheet up to the wall before I peel off the backing, so that way I can cut out a hole before sticking it to the wall. For this step, I like to use my X-Acto knife to make cuts into the tile sheet first, then I take my scissors to cut out the hole. If you're like me and you tend to make some mistakes, you might want to check one more time that the hole is in the exact spot that you need before you peel off the backing and stick it to the wall. Once you have the tile on the wall, you really want to make sure to smooth out any edges, really get like in those grout lines, and then you can put your outlet covers back on. I quickly learned that with this product, you want to touch it the least amount as possible, and also be careful not to get it stuck on the wall while you're working with it. For any end pieces, you're going to need to cut off the overlapping tabs. And you can do that with scissors, but I pulled out my scrapbooking paper cutter and it worked perfectly for a straight line. So as you guys can see, the installation is really easy. You just peel and stick, and it saves you a bunch of time and money. These are so easy to clean and maintain. Stains can be easily removed with any cleaning product and a sponge. What I really like about these is that they are safe, non-toxic, PET based. They're antifungal, they're antibacterial, heavy metal free, and formaldehyde free, which is really important for me because I prefer to keep my house free from chemicals as much as I possibly can. Okay, so what I'm showing you here is where I messed up. And I left this in the video because, you know what, the application process is not always going to be perfect. We're human, we make mistakes. But I wanted to show you guys how easy it was to just take my X-Acto knife and readjust it and reposition that spot right there, and it came out seamless. These tiles can be used on any smooth, sleek surface such as glass, a wall panel, or even over existing tiles that have a smooth surface. So if you have anything that's kind of rough or bumpy like bricks, it's not going to stick on the way that the product is intended to. As you guys can see here, it gets easier and easier with each row that you put on. You really just have to line up the grout lines and look at the overlapping tabs, and you keep overlapping and lining up, making sure that you smooth out every piece after you put it on, just to really adhere it to the wall. I really loved working with this product. Tic Tac Tiles makes putting up a backsplash so simple and easy for for anyone to do. My favorite part is that there is no mess to clean up when you're finished, just a beautiful tiled wall that took me under 2 hours to install.
This is the finished product. Thank you again to Tic Tac Tiles for partnering with me to make this video. I am so excited about the end product to show you guys. I am almost done. As you can tell, this wall is still missing some stuff, and I will be showing you guys the rest of my kitchen very soon. So make sure that you are subscribed if you want to see the total transformation of this kitchen on a budget under $500. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. For partnering me.